So let's have a look one by one that how all the tabs are gonna work and what kind of information and options can be utilized inside all these content areas. So once you click on the content area, there is a list of different options available, because once you click on the content area, you can find out course content, and here you can have a pink line in between this one. There is a plus button. Simply you click on the plus button and you can have a list of different options: the create, copy content, upload, cloud storage, content market, content collections, and learning object repository. So the most important and the best upgrade in Blackboard Ultra, in my opinion, that is the second option, that is auto generated module. Means Blackboard Ultra is integrated with the artificial intelligence, and there is a chatbot available in this one. Similarly, a chat GPT. So there is some automatically generated content over there, and some contents you can have the customized content area over there. You just need to put some kind of descriptions, and then you can receive the similar content what you're looking for. So even you can create the content for your courses, the main content, the chapters 1 2 3 4, topic 1 2 3 4. And the best thing is, you can have multiple options to utilize these auto generated modules, like for quizzes, you can generate quizzes with one click. You can have the question bank with one click, and there are so many other options which can be utilized, which we're gonna discuss in detail in this session. Once you click on the create item, on the right side in the list, in the red circle, you can find out the first option, that is course content items. So in course content items, like the learning modules, folder, documents, links, and teaching tools can be found in this area. The second option you can find out in the same list, that is assessment. It means you can create the test, assignments, and forums. Similarly, in the like the into content items. Now the most important part we are going to discuss in detail, that is how you can create the auto generated module in create item, and specifically inside your course content area. Once you click on auto generate learning module, you can have a list of options in front of you on the left side, and on the right side, auto generated content you can find out in this area. Because this the course I am I just opened in my Blackboard Ultra, that is a training module. So I gonna have the automated generated information, introduction to ultra, test concepts and understanding test structure, and all these informations being automatically generated in this area. But when I see all these informations, I feel personally that no, I actually need some other informations which are not directly being displayed in this content. So what should I do? I simply go on the left side, and I have to see define learning modules. In the bottom, in the red circle, you can find out the description. You simply need to enter course descriptions or learning objectives, and then there are some other options being available which you need to select, and then hit the button generate, and you can find out whatever you are looking for. But again, I would like to tell you that a good description will bring the good results. You need to learn that how you can communicate with the machine. If you don't know that how to communicate with the machine, they would not return what you are looking for. So the description is the most important part of this learning module. So auto generated learning module can effectively work once you could have the best description in this area. So need to put the descriptions carefully to bring the results according to your needs. The second part, that is select courses item. What is courses item? For example, you have a complete a set of instructions and all the information available in one of the files, that is a PDF or Word or any kind of file. You already have it, or one PDF book you have it. You simply upload in the course content area, and then you can select that like file which have all the informations, and you want that this automated generated learning module search out from this specific document to bring the results or create some kind of like content over there instead of searching the website. So you simply select the items. This is optional. If you select specific like file, all the informations will be collected from this file. Otherwise it can be collected from the surfing the web. So it's up to you. If you want to select any kind of items, course items, you can select it over there. The next option, that is title prefix, there once you click on this one, there is a complete list of options available: topic, unit, week, chapter, module. So it means, for example, you select the chapter. So based on the information or the description, you set it over there. All the information in the right side generated by that is auto generated learning module can be displayed with the heading of chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Similarly, if you select the topic, that would be topic 1, topic 2, or topic 3. If you are gonna select the week, it means the week 1, 2, 3. So it's up to you that what kind of title prefix you want to choose it. You can simply click on this one and it will be selected automatically. The next option that is really important after the title prefix, there are two options: include images and include descriptions. By default, these two options are checked automatically, but if you don't want to include the images or description, you can uncheck. But include images mean that this auto generated module can create the picture relevant to your courses or the chapters or the unit relevant, so it can be displayed in this area. The next is complexity level. You can set the complexity level from low to high. It's up to you. It's a pink bar. By sliding it to the left, it can have the low complexity, and sliding it to the right, it could have the high complexity. So it depends upon you. For example, you are in the semester one student, I mean like the newcomers, you can have the low complexity level for but if you are teaching to the level 7 or 8, you can have you can set more complexity level. So it's up to you that what kind of a complexity level you are looking for, you can set in this area. The next option, that is number of learning modules. This is what we have discussed about the title prefix. That, for example, in the chapter, you have selected the chapter, so from here number of learning modules can be set that either you're looking for chapter 1, 2, 3, or 5 till, I mean like maximum chapter 20, I mean 20 numbers you can select over there. So by default it's been selected 1. So if it's automatically selected this one, it will be generated only chapter 1. But if you slide this pink bar on the right side, the chapters or the units or the number of week can be increased from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 20. So it's up to you how many chapters or the units you want in this description area. Once you've done everything, you simply click on generate button. So once you click on the generate button, what could happen, I mean all the informations can be displayed in this area. But remember, this is auto generated content and needs to be checked for accuracy, because this is machine, and machine is responding you according to your descriptions. But it doesn't mean that everything is I mean like without the concept of checking accuracy. If you copy and paste, this could be biased. Maybe the informations are not up to date, not accurately being described in this area. So this is being a teacher, your responsibility to check all the auto generated content and before the copying or sending to the student. So once you are ready, you simply click on different parts, because you can find out there is different chapters being created over here, and all the contents would have the check boxes. For example, there are 5 or 10 contents available. Whatever the content you want to add to the courses, you simply click on the check boxes and you have to hit the button add one to courses. But again, I mean, like, it's a reminder for all the teachers and instructors that this is auto generated content and needs to be checked for the accuracy and biasness. So this is your responsibility being a teacher to check all the content before sharing with the students. Now we do have the practical environment tutorial which we have recorded from the real environment. So let's have a look at how does it work. Hi everyone, we are going to explore the most important part of Blackboard Ultra. You can find out the new look in Blackboard Ultra, that is the course view. So let's have a look at, click on the courses. Once you click on the courses, you can find out a complete list of the courses. Either you can go with the in the list format, or you can change it into the grid format. You can find out all the courses. If you want to filter, you can search your course by name, or you can go ahead with the terms, and here is a list. You can find out your courses either, or you can go with the filter of the courses. So let's search about our course, that is ultra course. Once you can find out your course in the list, simply click on this one, and here is a big change. You can find out a different interface over here, because earlier all the content can have in the list format on the left side, but now it could have on the top of the menus. All the menus can have the names on the top. So one by one you can explore all the things. Initially you can have content area. In the content area, all the options, similar options, you can find out which one we already had in the old view. So here ibda hina, or start here, you can make edit if you want, or you can go ahead by adding the new content in this area. Simply click on this one, and there is a list of option available. You can create, copy content, you can upload, you can have cloud storage, content market, content collection, and in the end you can have learning object repository. The next one, calendar. Similarly, in the calendar you can have two options. You can explore day by day, or you can have a month view. On the left side you can have two more views, one schedule task, or the second one is due task. So this is relevant to the calendar. Next one is announcement. That is similar option available. If you want to create the announcements, you can have all the option in this area. The next one, you can manage the discussion in this tab. The next one, that is grade book. Earlier it was the name grade center, now this is grade book. And all the student list of relevant courses you can find out in this section. The messages relevant to your courses you can view in this area. The next one is, that is analytics. Analytics of your all the analytics related to your students you can have in this section. Next, groups, and then in the end achievement. If you want to, so the achievement part, I gonna discuss little more about this one, because this is one of the best options for all the teachers and instructors, because I want to show you the different cases in Saudi universities, how they are using this one, this options. King Saud University, for example, they're awarding badges for outstanding participants in online discussions. Cost is issuing the certificates for MOOCs and blended research workshops. Prince Noura University uses achievements to recognize female student leadership roles, and Islamic University of Medina awarding the digital badges for Quran memorization milestones in online programs. So the best practices for Saudi faculty, or I mean, like the all the higher educational faculty, they can align achievements with the course learning outcomes. You can use the Arabic plus English badges name to ensure clarity. You can award certificates for research projects, internships, and service learning. You can combine with analytics to track progress, and definitely all these options can bring the motivation and a sense of achievement for the students. So you can utilize in your own way that how you want to prepare or bring the engagement for the students. So this is one of the best tool to engage your students inside the classroom. To see that how does it look like all the changes to the student preview. So you simply click in this one and you can see that what students will have on their screens. In the end, you can find out the course settings. There are some settings, either you can turn them on or off, but by default they are off.